This isn't looking so great, though. This is a severe risk for us tomorrow. So while we do have the chance of rain, and we're thankful for that, we do have the chance for some strong to severe thunderstorms as well. That's why tomorrow is a severe weather storm team alert day for us. So just reminding folks to be weather aware throughout the day tomorrow. Level 2 to the north, level 1 to the south, but everybody will be under that risk tomorrow. Let's go ahead and check out some of the high resolution forecast model data. Shows what we can expect tomorrow, and it shows dry conditions to start out the day. This is through 1 o'clock. It does so maybe a few spotty showers developing by 12 o'clock or 1 p.m., but most of us will stay dry through then. And then during the peak heating hours, we'll start to see the influence of our first disturbance. That will develop more widespread showers and thunderstorms through about 3:30 or 4 o'clock. So radar is not going to look just like this, but it does show the approximate placement of showers and storms. And then through the afternoon and evening hours, some heavier downpours for a few locations. Of course, we'll keep you updated should any severe weather warnings or watches be issued for our region. The good news is this isn't really a tornado type risk. We're not expecting that. The damaging winds are our primary threat tomorrow with the strongest storms and some heavy rainfall. Of course, we're excited about that as well. Some frequent lightning is possible too in the strongest storms. This is overnight, Sunday night on in through Monday morning. A few scattered showers of storms, especially down to the south, could impact your morning commute on Monday. The other big story over the next few days will be the tropics. That's because we're very active already. We're rounding out the first full month of the hurricane season. And we've got 3 separate systems to watch. One hurricane, two other systems are just low pressure centers that could develop later on. This one is newly formed into a hurricane earlier, about 5 o'clock today. Still maintaining Category 1 strength, maximum sustained winds at 85 miles per hour. That's an increase of 35 miles per hour over the last 18 hours. So it just shows this system is continuing to strengthen. And we expect it to strengthen into a major Category 3 hurricane prior to moving through the Lesser Antilles. Then it could actually maintain hurricane status all the way through the Caribbean before it makes another landfall, perhaps into the eastern portions of the Yucatan Peninsula there. That's going to be all the way through, that's Wednesday and then Thursday of next week. So this system will be around for quite some time. Could even emerge back over the Gulf of Mexico. You can see the forecast modeling trends are fairly locked in. So there's fairly high certainty with this system. One, that it's not going to spin back to the north or affect the southeastern U.S. And it's likely to head due west, or northwest rather, into the Yucatan Peninsula, perhaps again into the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. I mentioned that there's a couple other systems we're watching. Another one here over the Yucatan. That one could develop over the next couple of days and then shifting eastward. This one is likely to develop here in the central Atlantic, likely to take the same track as that hurricane we just showed you. Again, it's still a little bit early to have this much activity. We'll keep you updated as we move through the hurricane season. Your 3-day forecast shows again that big rain chance, alert day for us here tomorrow. So move through the rest of the week. We'll see high temperatures into the upper 90s, maybe even 100 degrees by Friday.